Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn. What are the messages for you? Ten of Cups, first card. Ace of Swords and Four of Wands. Wow. King of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and the Star. Two of Swords. Wow, very positive reading. There is no negative in this reading. Wow, Devil under the deck. Someone is juggling in this connection. It could be you or your person. Definitely one person is at some crossroads. And the Devil. Definitely there is obsession between both of you. This is not a negative. I think you both are obsessed with each other. You both are thinking about each other a lot. Maybe you thinking about them a lot. Okay, this is not in a negative way because all these cards are very positive. So you are thinking about them a lot. And that creates very small resistance in your connection. Okay, and there is a strong bond between both of you. Okay, so let's see your reading. Capricorn, recent past. Ten of Cups, Ace of Swords and Four of Wands. For some, you both could be twin flames. That's why there is that's why there is obsession. You both are obsessed with each other, or one person may be obsessed with other a lot. Ten of Cups and Ace of Swords and Four of Wands. You want this Ten of Cups happiness and celebration with this person, and there was some communication between both of you. Ace of Swords, some truth coming out, communication, and there is everything okay in past. Past was pretty good. There is communication between both of you and there is happiness also. Okay, then present, King of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and the Star. I think in this connection you both hoping for the same, you both wishing for this connection. I think they're ready to offer stability to this connection. King of Pentacles, and your person is very abundant and already financially very stable. They are very abundant person and they're ready to offer stability. For some, they're ready to offer marriage. If you are in relationship, they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level, Capricorn. And Nine of Cups and the Aquarius. Definitely, they see you as the star. And the Star, Aquarius, definitely some positive shifts are coming in this relationship. Because the Star, you are seeing this relationship as your dream life. What I'm getting here, because the Star, everything is positive here, Capricorn. There is no negative to say. And future energies, Two of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Yeah, they want to offer stability and they also have so much love for you. Knight of Cups and Two of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. Maybe you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision but you don't know what it is. Maybe you know very good. You know the situation very clearly because you are at some crossroads. And Nine of Pentacles, you are also concentrating on your career. You are achieving financial stability and financial abundance, Capricorn. You are getting and nine, I think very few, there are two person. One is past is coming towards you and one other in, it could be your new or past, it could be your past or new. It could be anything, but I am seeing two persons for some, not for all. One is past person, realizing you both coming back, but already you have your person in your life. That is, I am not seeing any separation. That's why very few. But most of you, only if you have only one person, that is you. Your person have so much love for you and they really want to offer stability also. But you are also concentrating on your career. You are creating more money. But you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision regarding something. And let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Wow, see, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and they want to celebrate with you. There is a lot of celebration. And King of Cups, yeah, they really have so much love for you, and I think they want to be with you forever. What I'm seeing here, there is a lot of upgradation, lot of your person want to take this relationship to next level, marriage, commitment. I'm seeing they want to be with you forever. This message I'm getting again and again, because a lot of positive cards here, lot of expressing love, because King of Cups, Knight of Cups, Three of Cups, everything about love here. And again under the deck, Princess of Cups. They made decision, they got clarity. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Yeah, Two of Swords again. I think you both are at some crossroads. Maybe you both are discussing about something but not getting clarity. You both are on the same page, making decision. Strength. Yeah, they're getting their strength, all our strength to take this relationship to next level, and the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. So yeah, Hierophant and Ten of Swords means rebirth. Definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, but they're feeling like this energy, maybe it could be it, maybe their reason could be anything. Definitely they are in this pain, Capricorn. So that's why maybe they are at some crossroads. It could be the reason, their family members or friends, or it could be anything, but they really want to offer commitment. I think there are some commitment issues going between you and your person. You both have so much love for you, but they really want to commit to you, because Three of Cups, King of Cups, they have so much love for you. Yeah, right now they are in some confusion, but regarding commitment, not about love. But near future, definitely Knight of Cups, they want to take this relationship to next level. They want rebirth if you are in no contact or whatever, but I am not seeing any no contact. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. The world, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, there is separation, but it is temporary. They're fantasizing about you a lot. Yeah, maybe they have options also. That's why they, for some, your person may be at some crossroads. Okay, but they're really sad for this, or this is not about separation, because Five of Cups, maybe they have something in their life which are going through some trauma. Maybe it is not regarding about relationship, but regarding about family also. They have some pain in their life. That's why they are at some crossroads. That's why they are not making any decision right now, because yeah, Two of Wands again, thinking, you both are thinking about each other a lot. Again, I think Knight of Pentacles under the deck, they're willing to come back. So I think you walked away from this connection. Definitely one person is walked away. Everything is fine in starting, but there is something going in your person's life. They're feeling this energy. And Five of Cups, I think there is no movement. That's why maybe you walked away. Definitely someone is walked away in this connection. But you still walk away, but still want rebirth in this connection. And Six of Wands with Temperance, I think you are patiently waiting, Capricorn, for your person to come back, because you want success in this connection. So a lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but they are coming back because Knight of Pentacles is here, but it is very slow moving energy. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Yeah, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, Four of Swords, the Fool, and Knight of Pentacles. I already told you they're coming back. They're realizing you both. Maybe for some, your person right now in so much pain. That's why they're taking very slow. But the Fool, brand new beginnings. They want to take leap of faith. And Four of Swords. Maybe you or your person could be right now undergoing some healing and meditation. I think it could be you also, because Temperance and Queen of Swords. There is communication is coming. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. 10 of Cups. They really want to offer 10 of Cups happiness to you. Yeah, there is no equal give and take, but they really want to offer equal give and take. Message, apology, communication. Right now your person is stuck due to their problems, whatever. And 5 of Swords. There is lot of drama is going in your person's life right now. That's why they are unable to make any decision right now. They're at some crossroads. But after that issue, they will making a move towards you. Yeah. Definitely they are coming back if you are in separation. But if you are in contact, but they are not responding you well. But of near future, definitely there will be some moment. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. A personal issue reaches resolution. Yeah. So if you are going through any personal issue and this is the message from universe, you are getting resolution for your problems. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.